Good morning, class. Today we're going to be discussing Chapter 4, the Biosphere, Ecology, Systems, Environmental Interactions at the level of organism, population, and community. Organisms. An organism is an individual, animal, plant, or single-cell life form. Population. A group of individuals of the same species living in a particular geographic area. Communications of all the population of organisms living close enough together for potential. So a brief example of that will be one single person. You will label yourself as an organism. Okay, if your mom and dad were to have brothers and sisters, then you guys will become a population. And let's just say you want a pet fish or a dog, you guys will be a community. So together as a population, they are all the same species. If a mouse interact, then it would be called a community.
Understandable.
Okay, so guys, turn to page 6 for me, please. We're going to go ahead and move to the biosphere. Is everybody ready?
Yes.
All right. Extend from the atmosphere several kilometers above Earth to the depth of the ocean is the Earth that is inhabited by life. Human activities affect all parts of the biosphere. Cities, farms, and highways change the landscape. The widespread use of chemicals such as fertilizers poses problems to people and other organisms. Ecosystems of both components of the environment. So I'm gonna give you a quick example of how humans affect the biosphere. It can be from hunting and gathering, agriculture, industry, and urban development. All right, guys, go ahead and turn to page 9 for me quickly. I'm gonna go ahead and go over one last section for the chapter.
Okay.
All right, so Florida ecosystems. Florida ecosystem. Can you guys tell me how many ecosystems?
Ooh, I can.
Yes, Miss B.
8.
8. Yes, you're right. Okay, any questions on the ecosystem? Do we have to name and go over them, or do you know them? Class?
We know a
no?
few. Yes, no.
Okay, so let me just go ahead and go over it anyway. So hardwood, hammock. Sorry guys. Hammock is the first one. Swamps, coral reef, dunes, mangroves, pinelands, and shrubs. So handwoods. They're located in the forest. The largest temperature handwood communities occur near Brookville, Gainesville, and a few other locations. Swamps are covered by trees and exist in many kinds of climates and on every continent except one. Alligators, frogs, and many other animals live in these swamps. The Everglades in Florida is one of the largest swamps in the United States. Coral reefs provide shelters for many animals in the complex. Florida is the only state in the continent United States which extensive swallow coral reef formation near its coast. Sorry guys, whatever. Dunes, created by wind but held in places by grasses that trap sand grains as they are being moved across the beach. Mangroves grow in salt water and in areas frequently flooded by the salt water. The species of the mangroves are found in Florida. There are three species of mangroves that are found in Florida: the red mangrove, the black, and also the white. So pinelands are found on nearly level land or limestone, long Leaf pines and slash pines are the dominant trees in pine lands. Fire are beneficial because young pine seeding require lots of sunlight to survive, and fire destroy hem woods. Scrubs. Communities that are mostly pine woods with a thick understory of oaks and saw palmetto. Scrubs are found in well-drained, nutrient-poor sandy soils. Plants that grow here has adapted to dry conditions. Okay, guys, so that was a brief lectures on 34. I'm gonna need you guys to go home, read and study those chapters, come back to me with questions, and get prepared for the test. Any other questions?
No, Miss Lou. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Bye.